Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a PDF file to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit. Have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections right here. And in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So right now, go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So basically, guys, this is going to be the Wix website editor. So just wait for the editor to load. And once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once you're here, just go to the left side of your screen. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site. So right now, go ahead and click on the plus icon or add an element. And then once you do that, here you're going to find the option to add a text, image, button, strip, and so on. So I'm going to go, for example, to button. And then here you're going to find theme button, text and icon button, image button, and here document button. Go to document button, and then here you're going to find PDF. So for example, I'm going to add this button, for example. If you want to add it, just drag it to the page. And then once you add the button, you're going to be here in this menu. So once here in the menu, just go to the top left. Then you're going to find upload media. Click on upload media. And then click on upload from computer and choose where your PDF is located. And all you need to do, guys, is upload your PDF right here. And once you added it, just click on add to page, and then it's going to be linked to the button. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.